gonna say hi, guys?
Hi, guys.
We're going to do unboxing today of Rock Oil Naturals. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Look at the pretty wrapping. Smells so good. Do you smell it?
Cute.
Yes. What's this?
What is it?
It's drink. We're gonna put it. You can put it in your drink.
Okay.
All right. So let's see what's
I
inside.
don't want berries.
You don't? Do you want these crackers? They're cookies.
No.
Oh, okay. All right. All right, guys. What I have today is from Rock Oil Naturals. My granddaughter's here, and so she's pulling things out. Be careful.
Okay.
Pull this one out. Okay. All right. So let's see what that one is. Let's take a look. We gotta show people.
Yeah.
All right. So this is all the small things.
Yeah.
These are mini bath bombs.
So there's a moth in here.
Yes. You want to smell it? Pick it up and smell it. Smell it.
Okay.
Pick it up. Smells good. Can I look at it? This is called Strip Search Bath Bomb.
Hey, look at that.
It
That's
does
a
smell
scary
amazing. Cocobolo, rosewood.
So I put it somewhere in the box.
Yes. So Cocobolo, rosewood, oak, Indian, sandalwood, and vanilla. All right. What else do we have, Kenzie? What's that? Can we take a look? Look at this cute guy.
Yeah, she's back.
Yeah.
I'm going to punch him.
This is Harvest Fig and Sweet Orange, Dead Man's Party Bath Bomb.
He was a bad guy.
Adorable.
So I pinched him.
What else is in there? Oh, wow. What is this? This is Song of Siren, Sea Spray, Day Lilies, Nectar, Jasmine, and Musk.
That one.
You got the next one? Let's see it. You gonna hold it? You can hold it
I
like
got that one.
We gotta hold it like this so we can see what it is. There you go.
What is it?
Cute, shimmery.
Jambi.
And it's called Karma Chameleon Bath Bomb. Pear, honey, apple, jasmine, vanilla, and clover.
What is it?
Uh-oh, you found another one?
That's a scandal.
Yes, can we look at it?
So we got a scandal. So here, bad guy again.
Oh, okay. This is called Happy and pomegranate, vanilla, and cherry soda. Did you smell it? Does it smell good?
Yummy.
Yummy. Is there anything else in there? Oh, you don't even want to look at it because it's not a bath bomb, huh? This is Brain Stew Bath and Body Oil. I think it's a little sample, Nag Champa and Harvest Apple.
What's the thing?
That's it. It's all gone. That's it. All right. So we had Brain Stew.
Yeah, we got.
We have Karma Chameleon.
Yeah, so cute.
We have, what's it called? It's called, we got to read the back. Happy?
Happy?
Yes.
Happy for this.
All right, put it back in the box. You don't have to throw it. Then we have Song of the Siren.
Put on my bag.
You want me to put my bath bombs in your bag?
Put on the bag.
You can put this one in your bag. Dead Man's Party. You put that one in your bag and take it home.
Not that
You're not going to take any of these big ones, little girl.
This one.
No, this one actually I really want really badly. All right. And Strip Search. She's trying to steal all my bath bombs. And I think I said that one already. And then finally we had all the small things and coconut, lime, and verbena. She has a little bag and she keeps wanting me to put everything in her bag. Pardon the mess. We had a little storm here, and because of my foot, I have not been able to clean up anything. Why is there a juice box on the floor?
She dropped that on my foot.
But it's a mess out here since the storm, and I've got a boot, so I can't do much about it. All right, guys, so that's it from Rock Oil Naturals and my granddaughter, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.